Hey guys, it's Anthony from AE Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about my drone. The drone is something that we just introduced into our sphere. I kind of brought it on because I really kind of needed something to do. I was working too hard, and I really wanted to try to get some things that will kind of relax me. And what I didn't realize is that it was really good for my work. So now, not only do I take R&R with it, but I use it for work. But listen, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We always love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership, and new viewership often leads to new work. So let's get into the video. So the drone that I selected is the DJI3. And I selected this drone in care, really, communicating with my videographer, who is an avid drone guy, and he just kind of gave me something with a big package. And this DJI3 is really magnificent. It kind of just gives you all the things that you need. Of course, I got a few little extra items in here with it. I got some backup battery, because the batteries don't last long when you're in the air. I got the case to keep things organized. I'm an organized guy. I like to keep things organized. But the drone itself is sort of self-explanatory. What I mean by that is self-containing. It just kind of pops out together. You power it up, and next thing you know, you're in the air. You know, you got your little joysticks here, and I just really love it. So, a couple of places that I shot, and some of the shots came out like I was a professional videographer. I was in California, in San Francisco area, in the Sacramento area. We were in Florida, in the West Palm Beach area, in the Palm Beaches, and everything is so magnificent down there. And when I captured some of this footage, when I went back and looked at it, I didn't realize that the footage could be so nice. I mean, the drone is actually 45 megapixels. That's a pretty high megapixel. But probably the most effective and the most impactful to me is downtown Philadelphia. I'm a Philadelphia guy, and you know, most of our work is in Philly, and you know, seeing some of the iconic shots, the Philadelphia Art Museum, the Philadelphia Art Museum Row, there's just so many areas that we really want to recognize, and we just want to encourage other people to get into it. You know, other contractors or builders that are out there. You know, I'm getting older, and nowadays I don't really want to jump on a ladder. You know, when I want to check on the guy's work, when I want to check on my subcontractor's work, I don't want to jump on a ladder. I just pop the drone in, zip it up in the air, and next thing you know, I'm 30 feet in the air. And I'm really not 30 feet in the air, I'm down on the ground. So I'm really excited about the drone and drone for you. But, you know, we're contractors at Talley Construction. That's what we do. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you need a project completed, if you need a full renovation, multifamily, you need a roof inspected, I got the drone here. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Peace, signing out.